I miss your smile.
I can't live without you.
I'm yours.
You are my sunshine.
I long for you.
You're everything to me.
You complete me.
I cherish you.
I love being around you.
I'm infatuated with you.
You're everything to me.
You're the light of my life.
I'm head over heels for you.
I want a lifetime like you.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. What's new?
Nothing much. Do you come here often?
Yes, every evening. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. Do you like the park?
Yes, it's nice. Where do you live now?
Near the city center. Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do. Do you work nearby?
No, I work far away. What do you do?
I work at a bank. And you?
I'm a teacher. Do you like teaching?
Yes, I do. What do you teach?
I teach English. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like painting.
Are you free?
No, I'm busy.
Is it safe?
No, it's risky.
Is he thin?
No, he's plump.
Are you sure?
No, I'm doubtful.
Did you pass?
No, I failed.
Were you present?
No, I was absent.
Will you stay?
No, I'll leave.
Are you clear?
No, I'm confused. When do you study?
I study in the evening.
Who is your doctor?
My doctor is Dr. Brown.
Which phone do you have?
I had an iPhone.
Why are you here?
Then here to see my friend.
Whose notebook is this?
This is Mark's notebook.
Where did you learn that?
I learned it in school.
Who do you follow on Instagram?
I follow my friends.
How are you?
I am dead, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Emma.
Do you speak English?
No, I'm learning.
Can you help me?
Sure.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
What do you do?
I am an actor.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Are you married?
I am not.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.